Hey everyone, so this is our video number 8, and in this one we are going to discuss the problem solving agents. So in our previous video I have covered the structure of agents, so let's move forward in that syllabus. So these are very small topics like problem solving agents, structure of agent, and the next topic, problem formulation. All these three topics are very small topics. These are important for 2 marks or to just understand what are they. These not gonna appear much in your exams. So, problem solving agents. We know that an intelligent agent that reaches a goal by choosing the best sequence of actions is known as simply a problem solving agent. Most of the problem solving agents follow a loop, that is, they firstly formulate goal, then formulate a problem, and they search for a solution and execute that findings. So the first one, formulate a goal. A problem solving agent firstly formulates a goal, that is nothing but it decides what it really wants. So for this, let's understand this with an example. So you need to deliver medicine to a room A. Consider a room A that is in a hospital by 10 a.m. and you are at pharmacy. So the goal here is to deliver that medicine to room A by 10 a.m. The next step is formulate a problem. Here, the problem solving agent defines the state, actions, and rules. These are all possible states, actions, and rules. It keeps only the details that you need to have. So, in that example only, let's understand what is meant by formulation of a problem. So, in that example, details are like rooms, corridors, and the pathways to reach room A, the lifts, the stairs, and the time before you have to reach, etc. are the possible states, actions, and rules. These are all help to formulate a problem. The next step is search for a solution. The problem solving agent search for a solution. So it explores all the possible routes, paths to achieve the solution. In the same example, problem solving agent finds or the go through all the possible routes to reach the room A, and at the end it picks the fastest and the safest route to reach room A. The last step is execute the solution. Here, the problem solving agent works on the route or the path that has more efficient, and it only stops when it had reached the destination. For the same example, it follows the chosen path to reach the room A and stop only when it has reached to room A. And it also has to reach the room A by 10 p.m. or 10 a.m. The problem solving agent needs a well defined problem which has initial states, actions, transition models, goal test, and path test. Without these, problem solving agent can reach the destination, but the efficiency and the outcomes and the performance are not up to the mark. So let's understand this complete problem solving agent concept with an clear example. So consider yourself at pharmacy and you need to reach room number 123, that is in a hospital nearby you. So what is the process? So you start at the pharmacy and the delivery deadline is 10 a.m. and your goal is to reach the room 123 on time with the medicine. So with the help of floor plan, you plan the path such as like first pharmacy, then corridor A, then lift 1, and you have to go to floor 2, and there you have to go towards the ward number 3, and then you reach to the room number 123. So you have to follow this plan step by step to reach from pharmacy to room number 123 by 10 a.m. with medicine. So in this concept, there are two constraints, like when the information is missing is a constraint, and when the information is available is also another constraint. So when no information or the information is missing, the problem solving agent guesses the it just make a random guess and choose the path to reach the destination. So let's consider the above example only. From that, you don't know the path to reach the destination. You have no map or you have no floor plan. So in that case, from the pharmacy, you see paths to corridor A, corridor B, corridor C, and you have to guess which one reaches the room 123 fastest. And on that random guess, you move towards the path and reach the room number 123. So this scenario is for no information. When it comes to with information, that you have map or the floor plan, in that case you can compare routes and pick a better one to reach room number 123. As you have the map and you have the floor plan which has all the routes and all the stairs, all the lifts, in that case you just compare all the paths with each other to find the most efficient and most safe, and also you can say that most faster one to reach the room number 123. That is how the problem solving agent works, and it's a small topic. So in our next video we will be discussing problem formulation.